Hello students, welcome to Late Come Back again with a new video. In this video I will simply discuss about the skill management, that is the chapter 1 of unit 2. In this chapter we shall discuss about the self management. As friends, as you know, the self management is meant for management of oneself. It means taking responsibility of own behavior and well-being. It means to know well about our strength and weakness, and through which we can manage and handle with the different situations. It focuses on one's ability to modify emotions and behave according to the needs of society. The self-management skills develop an art. The self-management skills develop an art in human being, due to which they perform well in every field of life. It basically helps to know how to change and control our emotions according to the types of situations. Self-management skills is very important but very difficult to learn. Some people have innate property to manage the situations, but some are needed to develop these property with the practices and with the time. These skills help to become confident, self-dependent, and achieve the goals. Now I have to know the positive outcomes of self-management. Students, following are the benefits of the self-management. The first one is it boosts the decision-making capacity. Self-management makes an individual more confident and determined to achieve their goals. Second, it increases the chance of success. Students, as it insists the confidence and which become the key of the success. Third one, it helps in curtailing impulsive behavior. Using self-management skills, we evaluate our own behavior, and it gives less chance for impulsive behavior. It restricts the bad behaviors. Fourth one is it improves focus. Self-management skills helps to know well about our energies, and we perform to best of our abilities. Fifth one, it promotes congruency. The self-management skills create compatible surrounding due to our aligned behavior as per our thoughts, and it gives less chance of conflict of ideas. Sixth one, it improves our performance in all spheres. Due to the self-management skills, our all-round performance are improved, and that become the cause of success. Self-management skills have to know here about the self-management skills that help to make a happy and successful life. So the following are the self-management skills. First, the self-confidence. The self-management skills help to develop the self-confidence, means to have faith in one's capability to do something. When we do not have any doubt in our decisions, then it leads to make a stress-free life. Second one, the stress management skills. In today's scenario, it is impossible to get a stress-free surrounding. So in this situation, if we want to make our life stress-free, then we shall have to develop an inner capacity to deal with this all stressful situations by the 4 habits. First, thinking. Second, breathing. Third, relaxing, and then reacting. We should always remember that we can make right choice only when we are in the calm state of mind. Third one, time management and organizational skills. As friends, time management is a great skill of planning and organizing the time to manage all activities. In this, we have to know how to use the time and energy in effective way. Next one is self motivation. Self motivation refers to a skill of a man to know more about their power to do the things and attain success. It is a step by step completed in which we first set a goal, second make a plan, get a work, and stick to it, and finally reach the goal. Fifth one is positivity. As friends, it is already learned about the positivity. It is vital to have a positive outlook if we want to get a harmonious life. We ever face up and down in our life, but the matter is that how do we tackle with the situations? If we think positively about our concerns, then we automatically begin to realize our inner capacity to handle with these all situations. Sixth one, self awareness. As friends, it is important for everyone to know well about oneself. Self observation is very important for taking the right decision. Seven one, responsibility. Taking responsibility of our action is a great character. Of anyone that boosts up the mind to do anything well. In order to be responsible, one must prioritize the things, and after that they must start to do the same. Eighth one is productivity. As students, as we know, it is impossible to work 24 into 7 hours a day with 100% capacity. So, proper planning and time management help to solve this problem, and if we do it, automatically the productivity will be increased. So, after this line, the chapter related matters are completed. Okay, thank you.